Hello Driving Intelligence community. Real super quick video for entry-level people that have a Fox platform Mustang and want to know how to add a little bling. I've got front and rear sway bars. You can see my sway bar here that I've actually painted, and I want to match it with the rear sway bar. You can kind of see through the wheel and around the wheel in the back. They're connected to the control arms, the lower control arms. These are my Factory 5 Racing lower and upper control arms. Got to take off those two bolts, really simple. I'm going to sand it down, paint it, and then reinstall it. As simple as 1, 2, 3, there's a sway bar on the ground. Now all I got to do is clean it up for paint.
To prep the bar, I used a concentrated degreaser from Sam's Club. You can get a gallon of this for less than $10, and a little goes a long way. 320 grit wet sandpaper was used with the degreaser to remove grease, excess rust, and any other contaminants. But before cleaning, I made sure to remove the spring clips to clean and paint separately. Since the sway bar is under the vehicle and gets hit with a lot of water and potentially salt spray in the winter, I use the Rust-Oleum Rusty Metal Primer followed by a bright red Rust-Oleum top coat.
Another little step to make it pop, I've got my battery connected to a bath here. I've got electrolysis going on. You can see those fasteners down there getting their rust boiled right off. Really cool process, getting ready for paint. Use the bench grinder with this brush on it to hit these bolts and C-clips, and I put a little bit of Rust-Oleum rust converter, and they're ready to go on. And here we have the bling for the SVO Mustang. Just one of the little projects I'm doing. I think it looks pretty good. It matches the front sway bar now. Hope you enjoyed that. Again, another simple project. Give me a thumbs up if you don't mind, and I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.